Okay, if you remember last week, we painted our paper plates to have some really pretty water in the background. Remember, we are doing a fish bowl. So today we'll be adding the beans, which will be the sand in the bottom of the fish bowl. We'll be adding our fish and some plants. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you come down about halfway of your paper plate. And you are going to be adding glue. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the glue bottle and you're just going to make almost like a snake of glue. Does everybody see how I'm almost making like S's? Okay, because it's not going to take a whole lot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your finger. We're going to use our finger as our tool today. And you're just going to mix that glue on the bottom because this is where we're going to be putting the beans and the plant. Okay, so what you're going to do then, to wipe your finger off, wipe it on your fish. Ha! Great idea, Miss Rucker. And I'm going to place my fish down. That was a good way to clean my finger off. Alright, so I got my finger cleaned off, and I glued my fish down. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to start placing beans. Now you want to make sure that you push them close together. And you can even grab like a handful and just kind of press. You want them kind of close together. Okay. And you want them to go all the way across. So you're going to do this throughout. You're going to cover up all the glue. Now here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to put a bunch of beans on there because if you flip your plate over and you've got beans that come off, then you didn't do it correctly. So you want to make sure that your beans, when you flip your paper plate over like this, you don't have beans that fall off. And you're going to do this all the way across your page. So you'll just have the bottom of the bowl filled with sand. And I kind of like the looks of it kind of spaced out a little bit. Okay, then you're going to go to the back counter and you are going to get 4 pieces of tissue paper. As we're going to create some plants at the bottom of the bowl. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of line them up. Now plants are not rectangular, so we want to cut off the little rectangles on the plants. So what I want to do is I want to take my scissors and I want to round it out. And you want different sizes, you want different values of green. And you can be creative. You can make these plants however you want. Maybe I want one a little bit pointy here. It doesn't have to be perfect. Nature never is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take all 4 of your little pieces. You see how I kind of rounded them out? And you're going to twist it at the bottom. So we need something to be able to, we're going to make almost like a little 3D plant. Okay, do you see how I kind of twisted it? And then I'm going to glue it down on the side with my beans. And when you're done, you're going to have something that looks similar to this, except you're going to have beans all the way across. You'll have a fish, and you'll have this little 3D plant that you want to make sure you can even kind of crinkle it up. Okay, you don't want it to be perfect. You want to kind of crinkle them up, make them a little wrinkly, and voila, you've got that 3D looking plant. You've got some sand at the bottom of your bowl, and you have a really cute little fish. So you should have something that looks like this. Okay, and you actually get to take these home today. All right, have fun.